elegant Ramadan 2025 decor, calligraphy, lanterns, and stunning table arrangements. Transforming your home into a serene and festive retreat for Ramadan 2025 involves embracing the aesthetic beauty and spiritual essence of this sacred month. By incorporating elegant decor elements like Islamic calligraphy and the warm glow of traditional Ramadan lanterns, you can create a peaceful and inviting atmosphere perfect for prayer, reflection, and family gatherings. Each carefully selected decoration not only enhances the spiritual ambiance, but also infuses your home with joy and harmony, ensuring that moments spent during Iftar and Suhoor are even more special. One of the most captivating enhancements for your space is the addition of Ramadan calligraphy art. Whether displayed as wall hangings, framed prints, or intricately crafted wooden pieces, Islamic calligraphy becomes a centerpiece of visual storytelling. These pieces, when paired with soft ambient lighting and delicate fairy lights, create a mesmerizing focal point that exudes warmth and tranquility. To further enhance the festive spirit, consider incorporating Moroccan lanterns and crescent moonlights throughout your living and dining areas. These decorations cast an enchanting glow that perfectly captures the essence of this blessed month. For your Ramadan table decor, aim to foster a welcoming and elegant dining experience. Opt for tableware with gold accents and intricate Islamic patterns to add a touch of sophistication and reverence to your meals. Fresh flowers, whether in simple vases or elaborate arrangements, bring life and color to the table, complementing the layered textiles like embroidered table runners and plush cushions. Such elements not only enhance the dining experience, but also create a cozy, sophisticated ambiance where gratitude and love can flourish. By thoughtfully curating your home's decor, you cultivate an atmosphere of gratitude, love, and devotion, making this Ramadan 2025 a truly meaningful and memorable celebration. The fusion of traditional elements with a modern aesthetic echoes the timelessness of this holy month, allowing you to honor its rich traditions while creating new memories. This blend of old and new, combined with a focus on serenity and beauty, ensures that your home becomes a haven of peace and reflection. A sanctuary where every moment spent in the presence of loved ones and in worship is cherished and celebrated. Whether through a beautifully set table or the glow of a lantern-lit room, your home reflects the spiritual and aesthetic aspirations of the Ramadan season, creating an oasis of tranquility and festive cheer within its walls.